Hello everyone, I'm Geoffrey and today I'm going to be presenting my submission for the International Coding Showcase. So for the showcase I made a game which I've called Industrialist Simulator because in accordance with the SDGs that the competition has suggested us to use, I decided that it would be a good idea to make a fun idle game and also to show the challenges that businesses face in order to try to be eco-friendly. Now, I wrote the code in Python, and I use JSON files to save your save data. So, in the game, when you first start up, the game will make a save file for you, and here you can make a username. Now, in the game, you manage a manufacturing business, where you can buy steel or brass factories, and you have to manage your emissions, your resources, your suppliers, and your investments in order to make your business profitable, but at the same time not too environmentally damaging. Because in the game there is a reputation system, and later on there's also a shareholder system, which mandates that every quarter you have to fulfill a certain shareholder quota. Now, in game, factories they operate on a day-by-day basis, and you can see here the emissions per day and how much it costs to run it per day. So, for instance, if I resume, what you can see here is that there's a manual button to sell the materials you've made, or you can also configure an auto sell so that you don't have to do it yourself. In the finance section, you can also see their market prices because over time, like every month, the market prices will change slightly. And this is based on a mathematical volatility equation which I've put into the system. Now, normally the game runs 1 day a second, but you can change the speed here using this drop down menu or using the arrow bars. And when you buy a factory, for instance I'm buying a steel factory, what you will eventually see a blue bar being constructed, which shows you the progress of how much you have been building. And here you can also see the specific time left to build. There's also a view list where you can upgrade it from there. And when you upgrade a factory, the factory will have its emissions reduced, but at the cost of having a cooldown in which you cannot actually produce anything. So as you can see here, because none of the factories are operating, my factory complexes currently emit 0 emissions. Thank you, and I hope you play my game.